meeting, no. But Bibinti, presiding member, Mayor Diakokosha, I think it's on Tuesday or Wednesday. What I say? By Wednesday, Regional Minister Bayasa meeting, no. Na came a catch for site. Engineers our site, Omoye, Agyemang. Na the Omodo Babegu regional minister tables about they are by tomorrow to finish every assessment that they are doing. So that when the regional minister meets the assembly members, he would have something concrete to tell them. Now the appropriate approvals are be free or more. No one nyasa approvals na ma jumedino etimi ako. You just can't say that you are the regional minister and you have my order. You every construction. It must follow due process. Indeed, the regional minister is going through due process, and I'm sure that yene ejina edwadifo no nyina ba ko jina be ba ko ba de ba ko a ensie ene se ye beja wo mo aso mo anko sisi omo containers no
that one will not happen.
Ensie
I'm so many that so say basis how
unti dem ensie ye be mo akọ akọ di juma regional minister penisa. But ye didn't say ye beto into this end here. See, a mama Kosako General Preckers are there, not leadership boy.
Yeah.
There's a money that say, yes, I'm one outside the container because you are blocking the whole space. It just happened to be an answer about Bashi. Name I could attacks the German penny for anyway. Which you are towards a farmer penny for Naomi and more sitting come and not to enter Maba. That to enter Maba or see a Shuyan say free dear, no. Near yet, dear, Ebema say Bibisa Bakra and high anchor say baby. Into the Ebeban say, came engineers no home. Your Babach, Minister of the Assembly Mesono, no more to man, gave a say, it be a sunlight, back. Say, container, a wohon. Ubia, dear, 5 by 7 feet, 5 by 7 seat, everybody. Ubi nkonya 5 by 7, ubi nkonya be 10 by 10. That will bring disorderliness into your size, no. Nyina aye ba kones and space abeche. Every 10 containers be a interval about 15. Into BBC quick, ultimate movie echo emwa. Na ekwanya ba be dem said be ya emergency service car ebetime akwa for the reason why your person here uniform is a numbers and not doors. As we speak, registration I know Wednesday and then Yambaya, but we have registered 1,621 victims here.
1,600.
A B was shops.
A B
hawkers near 136. Shops are affected. They all die block cement to so far. I can 425. What I say? So the 425 no back 136 no more. It means that these ones, how many shops, how many containers no more. But a chunk of the victims, you almost the containers. So we are categorizing you more tables registration, you more tables, you registration, you more containers, you almost registration, and I more a damn year more registration. You can't in Aguana, you don't say, okay, more container near 1,000. Yeah, she says, yeah, 5 by 7 feet container, the amount your space is now, you bet me after 1,000, so that we can accommodate each one of them and everyone will be safe and comfortable. Yeah, quite a fast way, a wiring now. Enkofa or how be a emre omo ewo. We take into cognizance some minor drainage system. Some minor drainage system. They are here holding in na ya improve so that omeko na omotimia dojuma. Currently, as we speak, there are 3 heavy duty machineries on site. Yeah, clear. Okay, Jumadia. Who say clear?
Yeah.
Saturday it was not like this. But who say clear pa? And then we are likely to send 2 more heavy duty machines. Now, I 5. Once we have 5 machines on the site, we believe that we are contented. Yeah, penitent pa. Because when you go there every day, now who boys no almost frustration. What I say, and no money na. The individual in coma, you feel for them. It's painful. But who my no, another they can say because the regional minister wanted to say his situation is terrible. I really wanted to do something for him. Ne mama ne papa o. Oye bakro. Unimia, na sama AI exam de no.
Is it one self-work?
Me I have just one brother. One.
That's an under
on the uni because them send the AI. Because me me mama me too kwana me jano wana me raho. Even when I have to go to Accra and I think about I can't remember that. I feel sad. Sometimes I feel sad that, because then my mom was going to be but when I'm traveling, I feel sad for my brother. And the no only me more back media no only be in crowd na se no be mo papa. And then omukoye ne mama ye no. E ka busu afo boy nyina. Nsan by no must ye ntim frame. E busu afo afo muka. Ne ye dey nsan na e by na ma brand and dey dwetri. No money in answer.
Oh.
Charlie, the stories we hear on the ground. Until me who be more person with politics, I am be say, Muja Nimu. Munya tenka.
87.9 Kumasi.
So uko na uko tie omunsa maka. Na utimi she party atare de kokko politics. Wa dwenye adwuma.
Kenya betre.
No, nipa enkofo ho ka, enkofo ho akere wo mo. What has it? Enkofo ho kere wo mo. Enti kami ke pekwan be ne be fa so a ye be ko mo moa. Ora bi ye fe no ra abaje contractor okwu mu. Watamu no ani bottom sika. 5,500,000. The story is na ye describe no. Ano de nti ekunafo ne mo brafo sa ne. Ye mfa enso mo ase. Efo so bomfo for ufie kwa so ufie kwa me bi o for baby ufie kwa so baby be sabi kwa me ni uni o mshe wo kra what is
dog is also
me ko jina ha boys are more the chem so omo ba me nche me ne omo the chem so over 50 of my boys are affected. So I'm 4 boys I'm home na serious mu kwada so far me malaji mama blacky nyame fa ke say ne sister the people that personally I know people that personally I know at the site me ankasa omo me na damfo pa even adoma ne ma me ne ma what is me adamfo ba ko pa adoma ne ma me no ma the people who are close to me me ni aba ko Cynthia Doctor Who you know radio present Doctor Who ne ye wo ho what I say me wo fa bo amafi for na on ne ye omo no ma 7 billion ase yeah people who are close to us so yes and you outside us so what I say eja boatin ye ne te so ame ko ye ne dan bi ho adwuma ho bo hye bi no nya asere ne na ye twa ne na ba ko ho no de ton ton ade me ne no ye didi ne na se o so ame a ne ye di nyine I mean odi dem no ton ade wo ho what I say we try na ni try no nkotena ba bi nkostress ka oda ba odi ton ade no ma nyina ase and these are people I know, these are people who are close to me, so when I go there I feel the pain what they go through.
But ke mama musa we
minister Kwama Mponfo mbesugu no so on site. So all of us are affected. Honorable Muntakabusi afo e wo ho be de ho.
And on na mama bubusa say dey